Hello everybody, it's Patricia Noel Drain. Welcome to the site. I'm so glad you came here because you must be very interested in It's Okay to Be Me, because now you're on that site. And I'll tell you the story behind it and why I decided to do it. Here's my children's book. It's 20 years old. Yes, 20 years old. It's all about I love myself the way I am, and it's accompanied by a CD, a song. I love myself the way I am. I really did this because my first grandson was born, and I thought, I don't know, he better start learning how to really love himself at 2 years old, because when he goes to school, I promise you, there will be kids there that are going to bully and make fun, and you bet that's what they do. Well, guess what? In 20 years, all this technology has changed. Everything is different except one thing. We dragged all that self-doubt, we dragged all of those bullies' comments with us all through life. And now we're 30, 40, 50 years old, and we have the same situation. So I'm very glad you came here because I decided I can either complain or I can start contributing, and I decided to start contributing. So I put together a site called itsokaytobeme.com, the one you're on right now, and I decided I'm going to take care of teenagers and adults because we need the help also. So here's what I did. I decided to talk and have other people contribute with their techniques and their tools, and I put together a toolkit for us so that we can listen to what other experts say that you must do so that you can step forward and elevate your self-confidence, elevate your self-esteem. Each one of them, there's 10 of them, they each gave their own techniques, their own tools. I wanted something tangible to tell you about because I want us to walk away with all the tools we need. Here's the kicker, we have to implement them. We have to take action or they don't mean a thing. So scroll on down, you'll see what a very, very small investment this is for you. Sign up. And let's do this together. I'm Patricia Noel Drain. Until we meet again.